Diane in Denmark here, rah, 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 here we are. In the middle of the summer holidays for us right now. I said to you I would check in with you from time to time, see how those routines are going. And if you think that I'm sounding a little bit different today, I've got a wee bit of a case of the sniffles and a sore throat. And it's funny because I never ever get ill, and I'm not bedridden. I'm not at that stage, but I've just been feeling kind of all blocked up, but with a runny nose. But I've been leaning really into the self-care. I haven't been bedridden, but I've been taking it easy, and I've seen rather a lot of episodes of Father Brown, drunk a lot of tea. And I'm feeling a lot better. I was actually meant to be swimming, skinny dipping with my bestie Helena this morning, but I've cancelled that. I've put it off for a couple of days because I want to be feeling, 100%. Anyway, I said here I would check in with you. Weather in Denmark so far this summer, we've had some really good days. Today it's been a bit mixed, but it's actually quite nice from time to time to have a day where it's kind of mixed instead of that intense heat. We have been spending time at our Swedish summer cabin, and at the end of this video I'll put a wee bit of film so you can see where I swim when we're in Sweden. I don't skinny dip when I'm in Sweden. The Swedes are not into the skinny dipping thing. It's a Danish thing, so I wear my swimming costume. But it's a beautiful area there on the south coast of Sweden, so I'll put that on at the end if you need some kind of zen moments just to chill out. Anyway, I said I would check in with you because we, at least for us, we are into the summer holidays here. School is out for the summer. Everybody's off on holiday or at their summer houses, really spending a lot of time outside. I've mentioned this before, in Denmark we have really long summer days. We have really long daylight hours during the summer. And it's still light till 11:30 at night. But on the other hand, when we get into the winter, we've got the really short days and it's dark by 2:30, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So in the summer, the Danes, they love to be outside. And we've been outside a lot. At the Swedish summer cabin, we have been painting the last couple of days. We finished painting the outside of the house. The outside of the house is a kind of blue-grey colour. And it's all the other parts are in the classic Swedish summer house red, and painted some of the windows. We've also painted the inside of the pavilion, which is white. So managed to get on with the painting. I've probably still got some white paint in my nails and in my hair. Anyway, we've been getting on with painting, some other projects, but I said to you I wanted to check in with you from time to time during the holidays. Because I know during the summer we think, we want to do all these projects, and we kind of let our routines slip away from us. I just wanted to give you a little reminder to keep going with routines, and also not to worry too much if you're not getting the projects done, because as I say, you maybe think, okay, in the summer we're going to I don't know, it could be something like where we're going to finally clear out the garage, or we're going to build a new fence, or some kind of big project. And then what happens is, when you've actually got some time off, you go right into that relax mode, and it's really difficult to get started. Don't worry if your projects aren't happening. You may just need a week or so to adjust. Also remember probably that the kids are at home. The kids have got needs as well. So don't make these huge projects for the summer holidays. Be a bit more, think about yourself. What can you manage to do, during 3 or 4 days or during a week? Be sensible about this, and also set yourself up for success. And that brings us back to the daily routines. Are you actually getting to bed at a decent hour? Or are you just kind of thinking, well, it's the summer and I'll just stay up until I fall asleep on the sofa? Try and stick a bit to your routines. I'm not saying you should be going to bed at 8:30 at night, but just kind of keep up with your routine, because it also means that you'll be eating at regular hours, and stay in your routines with planning ahead. Have you thought about what's for dinner? Are you actually sitting down from time to time, you know, and I do it once a week, but I actually sitting down like once a week and saying, okay, what are we going to have for the dinner this week? Are we going to have a barbecue outside? Are we going to make up some sandwiches and go to the beach one evening? You know, just a wee bit of planning ahead saves so much stress later. And I've actually been using up some stuff that we have in the freezer here at the main house. When we're at our Swedish summer cabin, usually we barbecue quite a lot. And with us doing the projects, you know, of the painting and stuff, we just kept it very simple. Remember, I don't know how many times I've said this with the kiss, keep it simple, sweetie, but really keep things simple. You know, we go from that extreme of not planning anything to thinking that we have to plan a 3-course dinner. Just keep it simple, you know, a rotisserie chicken and a bag of salad. You know, just keep it as simple as possible, because you want to enjoy the summer. The summer is here, right now. Apart from, of course, our friends in the summer hemisphere. I know you're going to winter, but just enjoy it while it's here. You know, take the time and enjoy it. Oh, and the other thing, I don't know if you notice here, I'm keeping up with my routines, you know, of running the dishwasher once a day, doing my laundry, getting it outside usually once a day. You may have noticed here that something looks a bit different in my kitchen. We had a problem with the dishwasher, not the dishwasher, but the water running into the dishwasher. But thank goodness my hubby seems to have fixed it. So we're just waiting for the dishwasher to finish. And if it's all right, then everything can go back in. But I'm using this as an opportunity to clean out underneath the sink, clean out our recycling boxes. So, you know, I always like to look for the bright side and say, okay, there's a problem with the water, but he's taken out the big drawer that's underneath the sink, and now I can get in there and really give it a good clean. So you never know what you're going to find, or able to turn, you know, a kind of a problem into a bright spot. Anyway, I think it's time that I go and get another cup of tea. I'll be checking in with you soon, because also at this time of year, as I said to you, we love to be outside. And one of my greatest pleasures is sitting outside in the evening with a book or a magazine, and I've done so much reading these past few days, and some great books, so I'll share that with you in the next video. But anyway, as I always say, I shall kind of pop up with these videos from time to time. My main priority during the summer is spending time with the family, so I don't have a schedule. We'll be back into schedule after the summer holidays. But anyway, all I've got left to say to you is live long and prosper. May the Danish hood be with you. A wee rah 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 for those of you who need one, and suit me traten bangona or, which is the Danish way of saying 7, 9, 13, knock underneath the table. I will be back to my full strength soon. So anyway, see you very soon. Bye for now.